Welcome to this optional, that's important, optional module, where I want to introduce you to the JavaScript basics. And this module is really just a quick refresher. I do expect you to have some basic knowledge about how JavaScript works, what you use it for, and its base syntax. This module does not replace that. You can't really use that module with zero JavaScript knowledge, or at least it will be very, very challenging. But if you only got some very basic knowledge, or it's been quite some time since you worked with JavaScript, then this module will be a great refresher. Please skip this module if you already know JavaScript though, because then this module is not for you. So you don't have to be an expert to skip this. If you know JavaScript and you also know some of its next-gen features like the REST and spread operator or object destructuring. So